Think of yourself as a math detective. Your mission is to solve real-world puzzles using two of your best tools, area and perimeter. These aren't just for tests. They're for tiling floors, fencing yards, and designing the most efficient spaces, just like architects and builders do every day. Your first case, the tiling job. The question is always, how many fit? The strategy is simple. Find the total area of the floor, find the area of a single tile, and then divide the total by the tile. But watch out for the classic trap, units. Floors are often measured in square meters, but tiles are in square centimeters. Always convert to the same unit first. Remember, 1 square meter is a massive 10,000 square centimeters. Get that right, and the rest is simple division. Next up, the puzzle of missing pieces. When you're fencing a garden, you don't fence over the gate. The solution is to calculate the total perimeter as if it were a solid line and then just subtract the gap for the gate. The same logic applies to area. If you're painting a wall, you don't paint the windows. You find the total wall area, then subtract the area of the holes, the windows. Calculate the hole, then subtract the part you don't need. Finally, the most clever puzzle, optimization. Imagine you have 24 meters of rope. You could make a long, skinny rectangle, say 1 meter by 11 meters, giving you 11 square meters of area inside. Or you could shape that same rope into a perfect 6 by 6 square. The perimeter is still 24 meters, but the area inside is now a whopping 36 square meters. The rule is powerful. For a fixed perimeter, a square will always give you more area than a long rectangle. So whether you're dividing areas to fit tiles, subtracting gaps for fences, or choosing a square to get the most space, you're using math to solve real problems. You're not just doing sums, you're becoming a problem-solving detective.